Today, we're going to do a short video of how to change your air filter and oil on your KTM 50. I use ATF oil, grease, a measuring cup, a funnel, pre-oiled air filter, a 13mm socket, and a cup to hold all my old oil. The first step is you need your 13mm wrench and you need your bucket to hold all your old oil. And the plug is right there. That's bad oil. Oh no, it bleeds through. It bleeds through. So when all the oil is drained, you put this in before you put in your plug in the oil on this side. Because when you do that, the oil is just gonna come and wrench right out. So you put this in first. And you kind of screw it in like that. Now you take off your cap to put in your oil. It's good oil. Tell me when to stop. The secret is to put 250 instead of 200. First you need your funnel so you don't spill it. Then you pour it all. There we go. Okay, now let's take a look at the air filter. And where you find your air filter is under your seat.
How does that look?
Not that good. And then you get the cover off. And you want to make sure you don't get any of that stuff down inside of the box. Because then it's not good. And make sure nothing's in there. And we like to put grease around the outside just to keep it sealed. Really nice and good. Now it's done, time to be installed. And always make sure the greasy side goes on this side and it faces down. And make sure not to put it on the side that has the rating. Put that in there. Now we grab the seat and put the seat back on. And now we're ready to go get my gear on and ride. me too heavy.